Hello everyone, I am Yogesh Mitkal and today we are today's date is 5 October 2021 and our today's video topic is the what is the database mapping and which are the types of the data mapping and explain of the data mapping system. Basically, the database mapping can have four types. The first is a one-to-one mapping system. Second is one-to-many. Third is many-to-one, and last one is a many-to-many mapping system. Basically, in that the one-to-one mapping system, the system one-to-many relationship, it is a type of the cardinality, and that the refers to the relationship between the two entities. See, also the entity and relationship mode. If A and B, which are the element of A, are linked to the many elements of the B, but the member of B is linked to the ele- element of A. For the instance, think A as a book and B as a pages of that book. So a book can have many pages, but a page can have only one book. So that's why this is a one-to-one system. But in the relational database system, one-to-one relationships exist when the row in the table A may be linked with the many rows in the table B. So, but one row in table B is linked to the one row in table A. So that's why this is a one-to-one system. So it is important to note that the one-to-one relationship is not a property of the data, but the rather of the relationship itself. So a list of authors and their books may happen to describe the books and with only one author, in which case the row of the books table refers only to the row of the author's table, but the relationship itself is not one to one. So the book because the books may have more than one author, forming a many to many relationship. So that's why this is the one to one system. Is the best example is the a table which one row has linked with the another table of the one row. So that's why this is a one-to-one relationship. So the next one is a one-to-one relationship, one-to-many relationship. So that's why in the one-to-many relationship, so it is a system analyst. So one-to-many relationship, it is a type of the currently refers to the between the uh, two elements or two entities. So that's why that the element was A and B. So A may be linked with the element of B, but the member of B is linked to the only one element of the A. So for the instance of C, so that's why this is the A is book and B is the pages of that the B as pages. So a book can have many pages, but page can have only one book. So that's why this is the one to many. So that's why this is the many to one system. So, but in that the so this is the many to one system. So this is the second type of the system. Now third one is in the GPA there are the third one is many to third one is a and third one is a many to one mapping system. So that's why this is the same as that one to many, but it's oppositely in direction. Means that there are the pages which are connected in a one book. So that's why the many pages, but pages have one book. So that's why this is the our the processor. So the many to one mapping represent the single value association. Means where a collection of entities can be associated with the similar entities. Hence, in a relational database, any more than one row of entity can refers to the similar row of the another entity. So that's why the many to one example of that the many to one example. So In this example, we are discuss about the many to one mapping system, database mapping system. In that, we will create a many to one relationship between the student and the library in such a way that more than one student uh, can issue the same book. But this example contains the following steps. The create an entity class student.java under.com Java default method that contains the student ID and the student name with many to one annotations that contains an object of the library type. So that's why this is in a many to one. But also in the example format of the many to one system by using the following. So let's we create a one package, another package have some class student, and we create a some private id and private string name as a data member, and also private id have some annotation, means the annotation id and generate value means strategy is equal to generation type of the auto. So in that the menu to one also we create a another data member as a private library lib, means it is a objective variable. So uh, now the next method is a public void set get id, means it that the return some id, and second method is a public set id, means it that the get is the value of that id, and third method is a public string get name, means that we return the get name, and the second method is a public set name, means the we are passing the string our name at that, and this name was associated with the our data member. So in that the public library get link, means the list dot link is equal to this name that we assign the some objective value of that the object. Now in that the first one, now we create another class, the library java under the under the same package that contains book like as a id or book name. So that's why we are creating another class and public class library, and the private we are creating two private two that are the private like private private we are library id and string name book name. So that's why we are also annotations of the address of id and generate value of the id of the book. So now the second method is the public library or some constructor we call. So at that point parameterized constructor we are using in that the class, and we are called the library or also default constructor. Now we also call the setter and getter methods, get and set the values of the, both the private data members by using the encapsulation method. So uh, so now map the, now we also create the map the entity class and the other database configuration in the persistence xml file. So at that the point we are also create or we also check the our many to one mapping system which is provided, or it is also calculated. So the last one type is a many to many database relationship database mapping system. But in that the many to many when the multiple records in a table are associated with the multiple records in another table. For example, many to many relationships are the existing between customers and products. At that time there are many customers and there are the many products. So that's why the customer can purchase various products and the products can purchase the various or many customers. So this is the many to many relationship in database. But in the we are also define the how to achieve the many to many relationship in a mapping system. So by using the some relation when or relation usually don't allow you to implement the direct many to many relationships between two tables. Consider the example of track of the invoices. If there are many invoices, one invoice number and one of your customer are required about that invoice number, you will not know which number they were referring to. This is the one reason for assigning a unique value to each invoice. So that's why this is the about many to many database mapping system. So that's why this is the all about the many to many database mapping system. So okay, this okay.